Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best sombrero hats is probably one of the most iconic and versatile accessories a man can own, offering a perfect blend of sun protection, style, and cultural flair, making it an indispensable addition to any wardrobe for those who appreciate both fashion and functionality, especially when looking for that perfect headwear to complete a summer outfit or add a touch of personality to a casual look. Number 5. Mission Cooling Bucket Hat. Experience instant cooling with this innovative hat. When activated with water, it cools your body temperature significantly in under 30 seconds. Activating the cooling technology is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Just wet it, wring it out, and wave it to start feeling refreshed. It stays cool for up to 2 hours. This hat is incredibly lightweight and designed for portability. You can easily fold it up to fit in your pocket or pack it for any adventure. Enjoy your favorite outdoor activities for longer, even on hot days. It's perfect for fishing, hiking, gardening, or any time you need to feel instantly cooler. Protect your face, ears, and neck from harmful sun rays. The wide brim and UPF 50 fabric provide excellent sun protection. Our cooling technology is permanent, chemical-free, and built to last. It's reusable and machine washable, ensuring long-lasting performance. What we like. This hat offers instant cooling activated by water, keeping you comfortable for up to 2 hours. Its lightweight and foldable design makes it perfect for travel. If you're looking for active outdoor fun without overheating, this is the hat for you. It's ideal for hikers, gardeners, or anyone who enjoys staying cool during strenuous activities. What people say. The material is light and breathable, and when soaked briefly it gives a noticeable cooling effect that actually helps when you're out in direct sun. The brim gives decent shade around the face and neck, and it packs down easily for travel or storage. The hat is made from innovative, moisture-wicking fabric that helps keep my head cool and dry, even on the hottest days. It effectively wicks away sweat and provides a refreshing cooling sensation, making it ideal for hiking, gardening, or simply lounging by the pool. Number 4. Mission Cooling UPF Boonie Hat. Introducing the Mission Cooling UPF Boonie Hat. It's designed to keep you comfortable and protected from the sun during all your outdoor adventures. Featuring sweat and water-activated cooling technology, this hat actively cools you down when you need it most. Simply wet it, wring it, and snap it. With UPF 50+ sun protection, it shields you from harmful UV rays. Enjoy your time outdoors without worrying about sunburn. Perfect for hiking, beach days, fishing, or any activity under the sun. Its versatile design makes it your go-to headwear. This unisex Boonie hat offers a comfortable fit for everyone. Its lightweight design ensures you stay cool and focused, no matter the heat. Don't let the heat stop you. This hat is your essential companion for staying cool and protected all day long. What we like. Experience advanced cooling with this hat's sweat and water-activated technology. It provides excellent UPF sun protection for your face and neck. If you spend a lot of time outdoors, especially fishing or at the beach, this hat is a great choice. It's designed for those who need reliable sun defense and a cooler experience. What people say. The hat is made of high-quality straw material that is both durable and breathable, making it perfect for hot weather. It features a wide brim that provides excellent sun protection for the face and neck. The adjustable inner band ensures a comfortable and secure fit for various head sizes. Number 3. Gossifan Fedora Hats for Men. Introducing the Gossifan Fedora, a classic choice for the modern man. Experience the perfect blend of style and comfort with this wide-brimmed Panama hat. Its elegant wide brim offers excellent sun protection while adding a touch of sophistication to any outfit. This hat is designed for those who appreciate quality and classic design. Adorned with a classic belt detail, it adds a refined accent that elevates its overall appeal. This thoughtful touch makes it a standout accessory. Crafted with attention to detail, it's the perfect companion for both casual outings and formal events. You'll love the way it complements your personal style. Make a statement with this essential fedora. It's more than just a hat, it's a symbol of enduring style and confidence. What we like. This hat features a timeless fedora design with a classic belt accent. Its wide brim offers good sun coverage. If you appreciate a touch of vintage style and need a hat for casual outings or events, this is a stylish option. It's perfect for those who want to look good while staying somewhat shaded. What people say. Perfect size, quality, and style. It is a beautiful color as well. Band inside the hat to size it to the perfect fit. Styled for everyday wear if needed. This hat is amazing. My son wore it to 2 of Taylor Swift's concerts and he said it was comfortable. We walked in the pouring rain and it didn't affect it at all. It fit great. My son an extra large in men's hats and he had no problem fitting this. You could adjust it but he didn't need to. For the great quality it was definitely worth the money. After all the hat went through for the 2 nights, it still looks new. Number 2. SA Company Summer Straw Hats. Beat the heat this summer with our stylish straw hats. They offer excellent UV protection, keeping you safe from the sun's harmful rays. Designed for everyone, these hats fit comfortably on adults of all sizes. Enjoy a perfect fit whether you're male or female. Crafted from high-quality straw, they are incredibly lightweight and breathable. You'll stay comfortable even on the hottest days. Whether you're heading to the beach, gardening, or enjoying a picnic, these hats are your ideal companion. They add a touch of style to any outfit. Don't let the sun ruin your fun. This is the essential accessory you need for a safe and enjoyable summer. What we like. Designed for excellent UV sun protection, this straw hat is suitable for both men and women. Its lightweight construction makes it comfortable for extended wear. If you're seeking simple, effective sun protection for everyday use, this hat is a practical choice. It's great for beach days, gardening, or any sunny excursion. What people say. Super breathable and has good shade coverage. Good quality, fits comfortably, gives a lot of shade to my face, neck and even shoulders and chest. Best sun protection hat I've ever owned and I've tested out in extreme heat both at home and on the beaches of Florida. Number 1. Morph Handmade Straw Gardening Hat. Experience the perfect blend of style and sun protection with our expertly handcrafted straw hat. Designed for ultimate comfort, it's your ideal companion for any outdoor activity. Enjoy extensive shade with its impressively wide brim. This feature offers superior protection for your face and neck, keeping you cool and comfortable all day long. Crafted from durable, double-weaved straw, this hat is built to last. Its robust construction ensures it can withstand regular use while maintaining its shape and integrity. Whether you're tending to your garden or enjoying other outdoor adventures, this hat provides the coverage you need. It's designed to be both practical and stylish for all your sunny day needs. Designed for a generous and comfortable fit, this hat ensures it stays put without feeling restrictive. Its spacious design makes it suitable for extended wear during any outdoor pursuit. Embrace natural sun protection with this beautifully made straw hat. Its material offers a breathable and effective barrier against the sun's rays, keeping you protected. What we like. This hat boasts a huge, oversized fit for maximum coverage and comfort. Crafted from double-weaved straw, it offers durability and a unique look. If you need the ultimate in sunshade and a hat that makes a statement, this is it. It's ideal for serious gardening or anyone who wants to be fully shielded from the sun. What people say. It actually provides good sun protection and comfort. This one covers all of the exposed skin on my neck and face pretty much regardless of the angle the sun is at. Super sturdy and durable. It gives a nice quality impression and will no doubt hold its shape nicely. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.